streets raised me, nigga, so I'm hard as hell. On the corner of the block doing my crack sales, with a gun by my cock in case I gotta kill, with a vest on. Yo, my niggas, what up, what up, what up, what up? No, I want ya serious. I want ya is if you spot the use of it. You see it? Females. This can go for you too, you know, if you get used. I mean, not talk sexually, but all that too. All that too. You understand? But you have to pray. Anyway, prayer scenario. Me get up, yeah. Vehicle about sometime, you see me? So, I don't really take bus. So some females know this. So, you know, them link me and say if I go up on the road, I have to drop them somewhere. And I do it because, you know, we're cool like that. We're kind. We're kind ladies. We're kind. But you have to pray them, you know, man. Sometimes them might not mean you no good. You see me? They might use you. Prayer scenario. Get up this morning. So I go bank it. Just down the road. So I'm not even going to drive or ask nobody to drop me. I hop on a bus. I get a message, hey, what's up? I say, there, you know, you good? I say, yeah. You going on the road? So I say, yeah, man. I say, you alone? What time? I know where you're going. So I say, I go up on the road now. Yeah, me alone. I go bank. Okay, can I come? I say, sure. I'm at the bus stop. Yo. No, me not get back a text. No text. Me don't know if them battery dead or them service done. But from a semi at the bus stop, I hit that. Yo, you have to cut off them people. You have to run them. You have to throw that way. Trash. Them no meaning no good. I'm a user. Be wise. The streets raised me, nigga, so I'm hard as hell. On the corner of the block doing my crack sales, with a gun by my cock in case I gotta kill, with a vest on knowing that I might catch shells. Every day's a gamble in this place that I dwell. Can't stop even though I know I'm headed for hell. Since 11 I've been in and out of jail cell. Crack was the only way a nigga could make bail, so I stick to the evil I do with paid.